Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the online teaching sessions again. Today we are here to come to know new things, that is a wall magazine. In this lesson we will come to know how you will prepare a wall magazine for your class. A wall magazine is nothing. In the class, teachers are giving some projects, some notices, some very funny riddles, jokes. Teacher is giving you like a project, so that project you have to display on that notice board, and that notice board should be called as a wall magazine of your class. It should be related to the section, it should be related to the class, it should be related to, we can classify it according to our need. If there should be a notice about primary section, so we can put that notice on a primary section wall magazine board. So if a specific notice for a students for a day celebration, for example, if we are celebrating a fruit day in our class, so fruit day is celebrated in the primary section or pre-primary sections, so this notice will be put on the wall magazine of a specific class. So in this lesson we will going to know about the wall magazine of a standard 6th, because you are also in 6th standard, so we will come to know. Before starting with the explanation of the lesson, I am going to switch off the camera so I can show you the lesson on the screen. So please pay attention on your screen. Now you can see lesson number 2.3, a wall magazine for your class. In this, student of 6A bubble with enthusiasm all the time, be it sports, hobbies or studies. This is, wait a minute, I'm unable to see because of the light. Let me open the textbook. You can see in the screen, and I am going to explain it from my textbook, so please wait for a while. Okay, it's on page number 29 of the textbook. So let me read. Students of 6A bubbled with enthusiasm all the time, be it sports, hobbies or studies. This year they surprised the rest of the school by bringing out a wall magazine. The idea became popular that soon there were unique wall magazines in almost every class in the school. This is what class 6A did to plan and prepare their wall magazine. So this is an idea of a standard 6th A. The students have bring this unique idea of wall magazine, and they brought this idea from somewhere. First, the student and class teacher of 6th A brought several children's magazines and pages of children's section in periodicals and newspapers to the classroom. What they have did, they brought some periodicals and newspapers. Periodicals are the papers which are for a specific time, and newspapers everybody knows. So the teacher, the class teacher and the students of 6th A brought some cutouts of the periodicals and newspapers to the classroom. Then they studied the content to see what all was included in the magazines. There was a tremendous variety: stories, poems, puzzles, riddles, craft ideas, informative article, interesting tidbits of information, jokes, board games, book reviews, quizzes, study tips, health tips and even recipes. They have brought a lot of things, as you have listened. There were also columns about student achievements, doubts and problems. In their cutouts they are having the problems of the students about their studies, their achievements and the problems if they are facing into the studies. These columns were run with the help of teachers or parents, and these columns were run with the help of the teachers and the parents, because if you found some doubts and problems, only your teacher and your parents can solve that. Yes, after studying all the material, a discussion was held in the class to choose section for their own magazine. It was decided that they have discussed all the material and they have chose the section for their own magazines. The students have decided to take some specific topics sections. There would be at least 4 issues of the magazine, and in each magazine there should be 4 issues. There would be a separate team for each issue, and there would be a separate team for each issue. Means if there are 4 issues in a magazine, so there should be 4 team members. Okay, the team would have an editor. There should be an editor. Like paper, there are paper editors. So for magazine they are also having an editor, 1 or 2 sub editors. Illustrators means artists. If they are finding some art in that, so there should be some artists. And writers, those who actually copied or typed the issue in beautiful letters. Writers are very important because of the beautiful handwriting and typing. People gets attracted to the writing material. Yes, anyone in the class would send contribution to the issue, and from anyone from the class, if they are willing to contribute to the issue, they can contribute. The editors would select the articles to be included and their decision would be final, and editors are the person who will take the final decision about each selected article. Thus there would be 4 different teams to work on the 4 issues. As I have mentioned, 4 issues in a magazine, so 4 different teams should be there. The column regular feature in all the 4 issues were planned with the help of the class teacher, and the main person is a class teacher who will help them to plan all the related things. Apart from the editorial teams, more groups were made to run column like craft ideas, recipes, I need help, science corner, etc. It was the job of these groups to collect material for their respective columns. And in the magazine there will be craft ideas, recipes, I need help, some science corner. So for that there will be respective columns, and for that columns there will be a student group to collect material for the respective columns. With the teacher's help, a prominent place was fixed to display the magazine in the classroom, and with the help of teacher they have selected a corner in the class to display the magazine in their classroom. A long discussion was held to choose a good name for the magazine, and there was a big discussion. A long discussion happens with the students and the teacher to give a good name for their magazine. Now see, are you tempted to do something similar for your own class? Now see, are you tempted to do the same thing for your class? Go ahead. Now it's your turn, my dear student. Now it's your turn. That I have explained you the things. Now it's your turn. What magazine you will make? You will make a magazine in your notebook, because we are not in the school. If we were in the school, we were displaying the wall magazine in the school, but now you will prepare your own wall magazine and you will put it in your notebook. Okay, this is a activity based lesson. What are you waiting for? Go ahead. On the next few pages you will find some specimens. Specimens means for you will get some examples from the wall magazine of 6th A. What the 6th A made, that are given in the next page, so you will get the ideas from that. We are sure you can create even more interesting pages if you use your own ideas and talents. So they are giving us for the teacher. This is for teacher. What the teacher will do, please use the procedure outlined here to bring out wall magazine prepared by your students. Give them freedom to choose regular feature or column. Please see that every child contributes something to the magazine or shares some. This is for the class. Now you will contribute, you will work on your own magazine because you are at home and you are preparing your own magazine. So what will come in the magazine? You can put some jokes. See, jokes corner is there. So the first joke: teacher, Wally, why are you late? Wally, the train had a flat tire. It's a very bad joke. Yes, I'm not able to laugh on this joke. What are the three words most often used by students? The teacher asks the class. This is a joke. A teacher is asking, what are the three words often used by the students? I don't know, cited a student. That's correct, said the teacher. And this is the own word what the students are using. So these are some examples given of the jokes. Go through with it. Okay, now you can see the next page, science corner. You can make a wall magazine of science topic. You can take a specific topic of science and you can make a wall magazine of your class. I'm confused, please help. This is a help corner of wall magazine. You can now make the wall magazine to help someone. Okay, now you can see it is of English literature, rhyme and rhythm. You can write some poems which you will get. Okay, if you find that this is a very interesting poem, you can write that poem and you can use it on the wall magazine of your own. So this much is okay for today. You have to make a wall magazine in your notebook. Pay attention, you have to make a wall magazine according to yourself. Take any topic. It should be science, it should be English, it should be help corner, it should be jokes, whatever you want to feel. If you want to put any recipe, you can do. It is according to you what you want to do. The science corner is according to yourself. So do it properly and send me the pics on my personal number. Till then, bye bye, take care.